Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening. Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening to all. Thirteen present. 12 present.
13, sir.
13.
So today is normal math class or
Normal. CBSE. Last class n factorial. Factorial notation completed. No. Correct.
Sir, what did you do last class?
Factorial notation. Permutations and combinations started.
Okay, sir.
Go absent last class.
Yes, sir.
Next. How many problems completed? Factorial notation.
Sir, nothing, sir.
Sir,
Didn't
2,
do
sir.
2 problems.
Yes, sir.
Not much, sir. Only 2.
Evaluate n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial when n is equal to 15 and r is equal to 12. N is equal to 15, r is equal to 12.
Excuse me, sir.
Mona Lisa,
Sir, can you read out the question? It's not very clear for me.
evaluate n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial when n is equal to 15, r is equal to 12.
Okay, sir.
Sir, sir, 455.
455.
Done, sir.
Fourth one.
Done, sir.
Okay. If n factorial upon 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial and n factorial upon 4 into 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial are in the ratio 2:1. Find the value of n. Find the value of n.
So what's the answer? Excuse me,
n
sir.
is equal to 5.
Okay, sir.
So n would be 5 or 0.
n yes, correct. All of you done? All of you done?
Sir, can you solve once?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Just 2 minutes, sir. Just 2 minutes.
Sir, n cannot be equal to 0, right?
N cannot be equal
Because
to 0.
negative factorials are not defined.
Yes, correct. Keshav?
Sir, I got till mostly I got, sir, one place I got stuck.
Hmm.
That only you can solve, sir. I cross check.
N factorial upon 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial into 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial upon n factorial is equal to 2 by 1. After that, n factorial get cancelled. Okay. Then
But then n minus
4 into 3 into 2 factorial get
Ah.
cancelled.
4 into 3 into 2 factorial.
After that,
Hmm.
12 into
Hmm.
n minus 4 into n minus 3 into n minus 2 factorial. That will get cancelled.
Hmm.
After
Okay.
that,
4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial is equal to 2 upon 1. After that, 4 into 3 into 2 factorial into n minus 4 factorial upon 2
4
factorial
factorial will
into
get cancelled. It will become even n minus 4 factorial you can write no,
n
sir.
minus 4. N minus 4 factorial can be written as
n minus 4 into n
or
minus 3.
n minus 2, right? N minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4 factorial, right? Okay. Now here n minus 4, n minus 4 get cancelled. Now 4 3s are 12. 12 upon n minus 2 into n minus 3 is equal to 2. Now 2 1s are 2 6s are. Okay. Now 6 upon 6 is equal to n minus 2 into n minus 3. Now multiply.
I understood, sir, where I went wrong.
N square minus 3n minus 2n plus 6. N square minus 5n plus 6. Okay. After that, n square minus 5n is equal to 0. Now n into n minus 5 is equal to 0. N is equal to 0.
Or
Sir,
sir,
I
we
n is
can,
equal to
mistake.
sir,
Ananya.
yeah, here where it is n minus 4 factorial,
Hmm.
we can write that as n minus 4 into n minus 3 into n minus 2 factorial also, right?
N minus 2 into
N minus 4 into n minus 3 into n minus 2 factorial, and then cancel it in the denominator also.
Okay.
Can we do that?
N minus 4 factorial, n minus 3. Yeah.
So n minus 4
Okay, reverse
factorial,
also no. Right.
but I don't know. The equation that I got is not right, I guess.
You can't write
then
because n is
n factorial is equal to
n factorial
n
minus
minus 1
n minus
n
1
minus 2.
factorial. How can I
Sorry.
write?
See, n minus 4, don't write. N minus 4, n minus 2 write, not n minus 4. N minus 2 write. N minus 4, n minus 5, n minus 6. Correct, Ananya? Hello?
yes, sir, I didn't
N
understand.
factorial is equal to n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4 factorial.
Oh, yeah. It becomes bigger value. Got it.
Done, sir.
Done, all of you?
Yes.
Next. Next. Permutation. Permutations. 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 Definition, right? Each of the different arrangement, each of the different arrangements which can be obtained by, which can be,
Sir, can you repeat?
each of the different arrangement, each of the different arrangements which can be obtained by, which can be obtained by taking some or all numbers of given things.
So can you repeat after which can be?
Some are all of a number of given things. All of a number of given things.
Sir, could you repeat?
Note down again. See, each of the different arrangement, each of the different arrangement which can be obtained by, taking some or taking some all of a number, all of a number given things at a time, given things at a time, given things at a time.
Sir, after taking some or
All of a numbers, all of a number, all of a number, numbers, all of a numbers given things at a time, given things at a time is called permutation, is called permutation. Or is called permutation. Notation, right? Number of different arrangements, number of different arrangements.
So what did you give after definitions? I got this.
Notation. Notation. Number of different arrangement which can be obtained. The number of different arrangement which can be obtained by taking or things, which can be obtained by taking or things out of n things, out of n things is given by, out of n things is given by,
So could you
NPR.
repeat?
Number of different arrangement which can be obtained by, taking r things out of n things, which can be obtained by taking r things out of n things. out of n things is given by NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial, or it can be written as P of n comma r. P of n comma r, where 0 less than r less than or equal to n. NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Now proof.
So,
Mona Lisa.
so what's the thing you wrote between n factorial by n minus r factorial and p bracket n comma r?
R, same.
No, what's the thing in middle, sir? Is that equal to or something else?
This one
Yes, sir.
equal to.
Oh, okay, sir.
Equal to. Now proof. We have.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir, what was the condition when?
I'm writing. NPR n minus r n factorial by n minus r factorial is equal to P of n comma r, where 0 less than r less than or equal to n. Now we have P of n comma r is equal to n into n minus 1 n factorial upon n minus r factorial. N comma r tell n minus 2 n minus 3 so on
Up to till 1.
n minus r plus 1 n minus r plus 1
Till 1.
till 1. Okay. Now upon denominator
n minus r into n minus r minus 1.
n minus r plus 1 n minus r n minus
Yes,
r
sir.
factorial. Correct, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Denominator n minus r factorial.
Yes.
Correct, no? Now n minus r factorial get cancelled. N minus r factorial get cancelled. After that,
Sir, we'll get only the
P of
to n minus r plus 1.
n minus r plus 1.
Sir, don't rub. Just 2 minutes.
Okay. Repetition allowed. Repetition allowed. N out of n. Repetition allowed. N out of n.
Sir, what is now?
Repetition is allowed. N out of n. Repetition is allowed. In first place, n. Repetition is allowed.
Yes,
Again
Again,
n.
N. Yes, sir.
Again n. Again n. So on n. Okay. Total number of ways. This is nth place.
Sir, N to the power of.
Total
That board is not visible, sir. Can you write it upwards?
Lower part of the
number
board.
of ways is equal to n power n.
Excuse me, sir. We cannot see that part of the board.
Wait. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Total number of ways is equal to n power n. Repetition is allowed. Repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed.
So what have you written in the last line?
Which one?
Total number of?
Total number of ways. Total number of ways is equal to n power n. Tell me. Repetition is not allowed. N minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, so on, n minus r plus 1. N minus r plus 1. Tell.
Sir, will they ask us proof in exam?
No. They don't ask. Simply I will explain.
Okay, sir.
Just only concept, no? Proof. First place is n, and this one is rth place. Total number of ways. Total number of ways n into n minus 1, n minus 2, so on, n minus r plus 1. Next, very important note. 0 factorial. 0 factorial. 0 factorial is equal to 1. 0 factorial is equal to 1. How? This one completed? Repetition allowed?
Yes, sir, completely.
Okay. Proof. 0 factorial is equal to 1. Now we have P n comma r is equal to n comma r is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial, right? N factorial by n minus r factorial. Now P of n comma n, P of n comma n is equal to n comma n, n factorial by n factorial by
0 factorial.
0 factorial, n factorial by 0 factorial. Now n factorial is equal to n factorial is equal to n factorial by 0 factorial. Now 0 factorial is equal to n factorial upon n factorial is equal to 1. Since P of n comma n is equal to n factorial. Here putting r is equal to n.
Sir, one more method is there.
One more?
It can be. So it can be done by the other way also, right?
Other way also.
Like we can do it by taking n minus 1. I mean, we get it like n into n minus 1 factorial and we substitute 1 and 0. Is that fine, sir?
That one also correct.
Okay.
Sir, 2 minutes, sir. Don't have the board.
Okay.
Sir, there is one more method.
One more method?
Like we can say that n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial, right?
Okay.
Sir, so we can also write 1 factorial is equal to 1 factorial into 1 minus 1 factorial.
1 factorial is equal to 1 minus 1 factorial.
No, sir. 1 factorial is equal to 1 into 1 minus 1 factorial.
1 into 1 minus 1 factorial.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then we can say that 1 minus 1 factorial is equal to 1. So
okay.
factorial is equal to 1.
Okay.
So that is also a method.
Okay. Correct. That one also correct.
Yes, sir. Using factorial notation, you can prove n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. If you put n is equal to 1, you will get. Okay.
Done, sir.
Done, all of you? Then next, important results. Important results. First one, NPR. NPR is equal to n minus r plus 1 P r minus 1. NPR plus 1. Okay, sorry. NPR minus 1. NPR is equal to NPR plus 1 into NPR minus 1. You want proofs?
Sir, it's multiplication or it is above it?
Multiplication.
Okay, sir.
You want proofs?
Sir, is this board level? Is this board level?
Board level also is coming. Some problems. NPN is equal to NPN minus 1 is equal to 2 into NPN minus 2. NPR plus NPR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 PR. Then next fourth one, NPR is equal to R factorial NCR. This property important result, this one.
Excuse me,
NPR
sir.
is equal to R factorial into NCR.
Excuse me, sir. So could you give an example for the first one?
First one?
Can you give an example for it?
Wait. First note down. NPR is equal to N into N minus.
Sir, can you read out the fourth formula?
R minus 1. Fourth one,
Yes,
NPR
sir.
is equal to R factorial into NCR.
Sir, C is combinations. Or
Yes,
something.
combination.
So what we didn't learn yesterday. No?
This is competitive level.
The combinations is there in NCRT, right?
NCRT combinations is there, but using
Yes, sir.
formula mains.
Okay.
Note down. First note down. NPR is equal to N into N minus 1 PR minus 1. Or it can be written as N into N minus 1 N minus 2. N into N minus 1 N minus 2 N minus 2 P R minus 1 P R minus 2.
Sir?
Mona Lisa?
N minus the whole thing? Or N minus 2 is in bracket?
Which one?
Or the fifth one, sir?
Fifth one, NPR is equal to N into N minus 1 PR minus 1 is equal to N into N minus 1 N minus 2 PR minus 2.
So it's N into N minus 1 into N, the whole minus 2.
N minus 1, N minus 2, N minus 3 P R minus 3. All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Find R. Find R. 5PR is equal to 6 into 2 into 2 into 6p r minus 1. 5pr is equal to 2 into 6p r minus 1. Find r. 5pr. 5pr, right? 5pr, 5 factorial upon 5 minus r factorial is equal to 2 into 6p r minus 1. 6 factorial, 2 into 6 factorial upon 6 minus r minus 1 factorial. Now here 2 into 6 factorial upon 7 minus r factorial. Now 5 factorial upon 5 minus r factorial is equal to 2 into 6 factorial upon 7 minus r factorial. Now after that, six into 5 factorial here, 5 factorial upon 5 minus r factorial is equal to 2 into 6 into 5 factorial upon 7 minus r and 6 minus r and 5 minus r factorial. Correct? Now 5 minus r get cancelled, and 5 factorial get cancelled, and 6 2s are 12. 12 is equal to 7 minus r into 6 minus r. Then find r. Understood all of you?
Sir, this
Yes.
question was there in NCRT.
NCRT, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. 6 minus r minus 1, minus multiply 6 plus 1, 7, 7 minus r.
So what's the answer?
7 minus r is equal to 3.
So,
Huh.
so like if we get two values of r, which one should we consider? Is it always the lower one?
Lower one, not higher. Then this is first one, second one. 5 into 4pr is equal to 6 into 5p r minus 1. Same question. This is first one, this is second one, second option. Done all of you? First one done.
Done, sir.
Okay, second one do.
So what's the answer for second one?
Second one,
Yes,
r
sir.
is equal to 3.
Okay, sir.
Second one, find n if n minus 1 p 3 is to np4 is equal to 1 is to 9. Find n if n minus 1 p3 is to np4 is equal to 1 is to 9.
Sir, are there two different answers for second part?
Second part,
Yes, sir. Like we should evict one of them.
r is equal to 3 and r is equal to 8.
Yes, sir.
R is equal to 3 is the right.
Least value should
So what's
take.
the answer?
Least
Because-
value.
I understood, sir. N should be R should be.
Excuse me, sir. What's the answer?
Answer is n is equal to 9.
Okay, sir.
So second answer would be 9. Okay.
9. Two n plus 1 p n minus 1 is to 2n minus 1 p n is equal to 3 is to 5. Done all of you? Third one?
No, sir. Can you
Hmm.
wait?
Okay, okay, okay.
1 second, sir.
Okay. And the binomial theorem is not there, board level.
It's not there,
Sir,
sir.
please teach, sir.
Can you teach in the end at least, sir?
I'm teaching, no problem. I'm teaching.
After completing version, can you teach, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. Compulsory. That is important chapter.
Sir, based on that only some physics part is also there, sir.
I know.
Something I don't remember, but some equation was there.
Combination of these three chapters: permutations, probability, binomial.
So what's the next chapter after this?
After this, two pending concept is there, no? Pending concepts: ellipse and hyperbole.
Yes, sir.
And then after that, probability. After that, statistics. Then after that, one more chapter, 3D. Only 4 chapters. Board level. 4 chapters left.
Sir, in competitive, what you taught last class?
Last class, this one, logarithmic and exponential.
Okay, sir, I'll watch the video.
So,
Mona Lisa.
so did you get the material?
That student is not lifting. Actually, so many times I called her, but didn't pick the call.
So is it the same student you were telling that day? Like, because someone had told that that particular student didn't qualify.
NTSC qualify that student.
Okay, sir.
Name is Rachit. NCFP student.
Okay, sir. So by when will you be sharing the material? Like, can you?
House is here only, Kagdaspura only. I will ask. We'll meet tomorrow. I will meet.
First day cross, sir.
First year cross, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Rajit only, no?
Then opposite Anjaneya
You're
Swami.
talking about Rajit only, no?
Rachit.
So could you do the third question?
Third one?
Yes, sir.
Answer is n is equal to 4.
Sir, I am getting n is equal to -4. I don't know why.
-4.
N is equal to 3.
N is equal to 3.
And n is equal to -4, which is not possible. That's what I'm getting, sir.
Sir, I got n is equal to 4.
N is equal to 4 and n is equal to -1/3.
1/3, yeah.
1/3 is not.
Yes, sir. I'm getting 4 only.
Not defined.
Okay,
1/3. -1/3 is not defined and n is equal to 4. Nagbhushan, got it?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay. Shall I explain?
Yes.
Okay, yes, sir, I got it. I did some
Got it?
sign mistake one place.
So could you once do this?
Okay. Two n plus 1 p n plus 1 n minus 1 is to 2n minus 1 pn is equal to 3:5. Now 2n plus 1 factorial upon upon 2n plus 1 minus n minus n plus 1. Now n plus 2, right? N plus 2 factorial, correct? Into
Yes.
2n minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1 factorial upon n minus 1 factorial, correct? Is equal to 3 by 5. Now here 2n plus 1 factorial upon n plus 2 factorial into n minus 1 factorial upon 2n minus 1 factorial is equal to 3 by 5. Now after that, now 2n plus 1 can be written as 2n plus 1 factorial, 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1, right? Correct? 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial upon denominator n minus 2, n plus 2 factorial, n plus 2 factorial, n plus 2, n plus 1, n plus 1, n and n minus 1 factorial, right? Then 2n minus 1 factorial. 2n minus 1 factorial is equal to 3 by 5. Now here n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial get cancelled. 2n minus 1 and 2n minus 1 get cancelled. Then after that, and
So n and 2n.
n into okay, n get cancelled, and here 2 into 2n plus 1 upon n plus 2 and n plus 1 is equal to 3 by 5. Now cross multiply.
Sir, that part of the board is not seen.
Okay. No? Okay.
Yes, sir. it's
2
seen.
into 2n plus 1 upon n plus 2 into n plus 1 is equal to 3 by 5. Cross multiply. n plus 10, right? 20n plus 10 is equal to 3 into n square plus n plus 2n, 3n plus 2, right? Now 20n plus 10 is equal to 3n square plus 9n plus 6. After that, 3n square, 29, 9, 11n. 3n square minus 11n, 3n square minus 11n minus 4. Minus 4 is equal to 0. Then factors Priyanka. 3n square minus 11n minus 4 is equal to 0.
4n minus 1 by 3.
3n square minus 11n minus 4. 12. For 3
Yes,
is
so
12,
minus
12n.
12n and
Okay,
plus n.
3n square minus 12n plus n minus 4 is equal to 0. Then factors n minus 4 into 3n plus 1.
Plus 1.
Yes, correct. 3n plus 1 into n minus 4 is equal to 0. Now here n is equal to 4 and n is equal to minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 is not defined. N is equal to 4 is the correct. Priyanka, understood, Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
Then next, word problems. Now, how many different signals can be generated from? How many signals can be generated from 6 flags of different colors, if each signal makes use of all the flags at a time.
6 factorial, sir.
So what's the answer? Is it
At a time,
720?
placed one below the other.
6
Place-
factorial is the answer, sir.
Hema, Santosh, problem is not complete. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Place one below the other. Answer tell. How many signals can be generated from 6
factorial.
flags of different
Is it
colors?
720?
If each signal makes use of all the flags at a time, place one below the other.
So 6 to the power of 6.
6 to the power of 6. Huh?
Sir, 6 factorial only, no?
6 factorial.
So is it 720? Okay, sir.
Number of flags n is equal to 6.
Oh, yeah, sir. Okay, there's no repetition here.
P of
Got it.
6 comma 6. 6 comma 6. 6 factorial upon 6 minus 6 factorial is equal to 6 factorial upon 1 is equal to 6 factorial. 6 factorial is equal to 720, right? 6
Yes.
into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 30, 31, 20. Yes, correct. 720. I'm not writing problem. I'm listen. All of you listen problem.
So
4 books. Second problem. Sixth problem.
Should we write that down, which you're telling now?
Okay. 4 books. One each in chemistry, physics, biology, and mathematics.
So this is an NCRT?
NCRT. 4 books. One each in chemistry, physics, biology, and mathematics are to be arranged in a shelf. In how many ways can this be done? How
4
many
factorial.
Sir, could you repeat the question? Like chemistry, physics, mathematics?
24.
Physics, mathematics, biology, chemistry.
24, sir. 4 factorial.
Okay. P of 4 comma 4. 4 factorial by 4 minus 4 factorial. 1 is equal to 24.
Sir,
Sir,
if we think practically, sir, won't it be 4 factorial square?
4 factorial square.
Yes, sir. Like, sir, whenever you're arranging books, you can either keep them vertical or horizontal.
Okay.
Sir, so we can have many number of combinations, but we can, horizontally it is 4 factorial, but also 4 factorial. Shouldn't it be 4 factorial square? So that would be the answer, right?
So in that case, did we square or into 2?
No.
It be
not
squared because principal theorem of counting.
4 books, one each: chemistry, physics, mathematics, biology is given, arranged shelf. How many ways can be done? 4 factorial ways. Then next problem. How many words can be formed using all letters of the word? How many words can be formed using all letters of the word? Equation. All letters of the word equation using each letter exactly once. Each letter exactly once. Exactly once.
So can you repeat the question?
How many words can be formed using all letters of the word? All letters of the word equation. Equation using each letter exactly once. Each letter exactly once.
So is it 8 factorial?
8 factorial. Correct. 8 factorial. 8 p of 8 comma 8 is equal to 8 factorial by 8 minus 8 factorial is equal to 1. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then calculate.
Sir, somewhere around 40,000.
40,000. 40,000 approximately, correct? Calculate 440.
So 40320.
40320. Okay. 40320. Next problem. How many 3-letter word can be made? How many 3-letter words can be made using the letter of the word Oriental? How many 3-letter words can be made using the letters of the word Oriental?
So they can be repeated.
How many 3-letter words can be made using the letters of the word Oriental?
Is
Yes,
repetition
so
allowed?
Letters of the word
The
Oriental.
So is
repetition is
repetition
allowed.
allowed?
Repetition
Is allowed or not, sir?
not allowed. Repetition.
So
So
122.
56.
56.
Yes.
Himanshu, join.
Yes, sir. I had a test.
Okay, okay. Answer is 336. Answer.
Yes, sir, 336.
How many letters is given? 8 letters is given.
8 letters.
8 letters is given. Then
8
3
factorial by
letter
5
word. 3
factorial.
letter word. 3 letter word 8p3. 8 factorial by 8 minus 3 factorial is equal to 8 factorial by 5 factorial. Now 5 factorial get cancel. 8 into 7 into 6.
Sir, 336.
336, huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Himanshu,
Yes, sir.
not already uploaded that KVPY material, but your number, tell me. WhatsApp number.
984
984.
55
Wait. 984 55
19
19
161.
161. Check it once, Himanshu.
So you have sent it? Just a minute, sir.
12th also you want? 11th and 12th? 12th also? Next problem. Find the number of 4-digit numbers. Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed.
Sir, I have received it.
Okay. Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If no digit is used more than once in a number.
So can you repeat the question?
Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed. Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If no digit is used more than once in a number.
So is it 120?
Excuse me,
Wait,
sir.
Yes, sir, 120.
Not complete. Wait, not complete. Question is not complete. If no digit is used more than once in a number, how many of these numbers will be even? How many of these numbers will be even? Now tell me answer.
So 60.
60, yeah? 60, yeah, Himanshu?
Yes, sir, 60.
Sorry, Himanshu. 48.
Sir, wait,
Sir,
sir.
that wasn't me. That was Aryan.
Aryan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aryan. Not 60, 48.
Yes, sir, 48.
48 Nagbhushan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Because if you fix 4
Yes, sir,
in the
it's
ones
48.
place, it will be 24 place.
Okay, Risha. Okay.
And the next, if you fix 2 also, it will be 24. So 48.
Okay. All of you done?
Sir,
Yes,
this
sir.
5P4, first one. 5P4. 5P4 is equal to 120, right? Then next 4p. Even numbers. Even numbers 2, 4. Even numbers. 2p1 and 4p3. This is 1 unit and 4p3. 2p1 find and 4p3. Then next, from a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can we choose a chairman? In how many ways can we choose a chairman and vice chairman, assuming one person cannot hold more than one position? From a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can we choose a chairman and a vice chairman, assuming one person cannot hold more than one position? More than one position.
So can you repeat the question?
From a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can we choose a chairman and a vice chairman, assuming one person cannot hold more than one position?
So is it 56?
56.
56, sir.
Risha. Correct, Risha. Understood question? From a
Yes, sir.
committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can we choose a chairman and a vice chairman, assuming one person cannot hold more than one position? Eight P1 into 7P1.
So,
Mona Lisa,
so I got disconnected in between. What was the answer for previous question?
which question? Committee of 8 persons.
No, sir, the 4-digit numbers.
Oh, okay, that one. Find the number of 4-digit numbers. That answer is 48.
Okay,
So we
sir.
can also write it as 8p2, right?
Himanshu.
Yes,
8p2
sir.
would also be correct, right?
Find the 4-digit numbers. Mona Lisa?
Yes, sir, I wanted to cross-check the answer, sir.
Okay. Next problem. From a committee of 8 persons.
I did the next question, sir. Answer is 56, no, sir.
Answer is 56.
Okay, sir.
Then next problem.
Sir?
Hello?
Yes, sir. Sir, and I have a doubt from geometry. How can I ask you that?
Geometry?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after that you ask.
After class, okay, sir.
Already 8:32. Okay, last problem. How many different signals can be given using number of flags from 5 flags of different colors? How many different signals can be given using number of flags from 5 flags of different colors? Last problem.
Sir, each signal should have how many flags?
How many different signals can be given using number of flags from 5 flags of different colors?
So how many at once?
5 flags of different colors, 5 PR.
Sir, are all of them used at once?
5 PR. where r is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here 5p1 plus 5p2 plus 5p3 plus 5p4 plus 5p5. That is the answer. 5p1 5, 5p5 1, 5p4
Sir, also we need to consider one more, sir, 5p0, because nothing also can represent signal.
5p0 na?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I think we should just add one instead of 5p0, because
Add.
nothing is just one signal. So we need to add one.
Answer is 325. Already 8:35.
So what's the answer? 325.
325.
Sir, shouldn't the answer be 326?
326.
Yes, sir. Like if you show no flag, that also can be a signal, right?
How many can be given using? Signals can made by using at a time 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. 5 flag.
Sir, but we can also
Now, number of arrangement of taking R out of 5 things, no?
Yes, sir. But we can also make a signal using no flags, no, sir.
But signal should always involve a flag, right?
Which signal is that?
Like null signal, like no flag will be shown means it's nothing but off.
If you don't see anything, there's no signal being sent.
See here 5 flags is given. Number of arrangement taking R out of 5. Total number of signals is this one.
Okay.
Question. Mona Lisa, tell me, geometry, remaining students, leave.
So we were
So
supposed
we
to
have some, we have some conversation with Harshad.
Tell me, Risha.
So Harshad is going to speak to us, so we have to stay back.
Okay.
So can I share the question?
Share. My WhatsApp number, you know, Mona Lisa.
So only host is allowed to share the screen.
That sharing is not there.
I guess sir meant that you can WhatsApp it to him.
Take my number, Mona Lisa. 78299 77789. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir.
Okay.
हाँ, bye.